Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here at the end of the video in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to gain access to all these benefits down below and more. So anyways, on the euro dollar, I mean, it's pretty much been going exactly as I've been saying. I mean, we're continuing to make lower lows, lower highs on this 1 hour time frame. Now, we definitely do have a break of structure on the daily now. As you can see, we definitely did end up breaking structure. Now the question is this really an ABC correction, an expanding ABC like I've been forecasting? And it's actually just going to end up turning back up, which I still think is the very likely possibility. Or is this actually just a wave A of a much bigger ABC correction that will end up stretching out like that? I think it's more likely the first scenario. So bringing it back down to the 1 hour time frame, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is an ABC correction, and it's actually like an expanding ABC, meaning that it has a higher high wave B and a lower low wave C. If it really isn't expanding, then the target for it expanding should be the 161.8 or the 178.6. So if it does make its way down to one of those two levels and then give us a nice break of structure, I definitely will be taking it as a long because I still think there's a very good likelihood that this really is an ABC correction and that it's just an expanding ABC. So if we do get this Fibonacci bounce, if we do get a nice engulfing move up, nice break of structure at this Fibonacci level, then I definitely will be taking it as a long. If you are a short time frame trader, then this 1 hour time frame is definitely still making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So you should be looking for shorts if you're a short time frame trader until you see this picture right here at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, happy trading.